Orchids have been around for centuries and are still one of the most beautiful things on Earth. They are often seen as a symbol of love and appreciation. And many people find their beauty to be inspirational. Dogs are one of the most beloved and loyal companions that humans have ever known. Dogs are lovable and always there to provide companionship. They are also great sources of exercise and can help get people outside and moving. Having a dog can be a great way to get some extra motivation to live a healthy lifestyle. And they are always happy to accompany their human friends on walks, hikes, runs, and other activities. Ice cream cones are a great way to celebrate accomplishments and mark milestones. When someone has worked hard and achieved something great, sharing an ice cream cone is a fun and meaningful way to show your appreciation. Ice cream cones can also be a symbol of happiness and joy, making them the perfect treat to enjoy on special occasions.